patches on our jackets, stories in the lines we wear. Wind off the water, highway hum like a lullaby. Laughing at the gas stop, helmet hair and tired eyes. We are riders of the Danish sky, side by side. We're rolling high, from the harbor to the open line. You've got your throttle, I've got mine. But we ride together. Yeah, we ride forever. Rain on the visor, still we're grinning under all that gear. Sharing up the toolkit, need a hand and someone's always near. Engines cooling slowly, talking till the daytime's gone. Names we keep forgetting, but the feeling's what we're leaning on. We are riders of the Danish sky, side by side. We're rolling high, from the harbor to the open line. You've got your throttle, I've got mine. But we ride together. Yeah, we ride forever. Headlights in a long straight line, different flags, same state of mind. Hand on your shoulder at the roadside sign. I'm right here, you'll be Kickstand up, so still low, helmet on, we're ready. We roll.
All black jackets. Lights.
Chain grease on our hands, laugh lines deeper than our weekend plan. Gasoline and coffee, riding through the morning haze. Motor hearts are beating, syncing up with every wave. Gasoline and coffee, every mile I'm feeling more. Friends and freedom, open sky, that's the life I'm living for. Kickstand up, sun still low, helmet on, we're ready. Yeah, we roll.
All black jackets.
Finger ends, lifelines deeper than our weekend plan. Under buzzing lights, we're talking gear and dreams. Grease on the floor, but our minds stay clean. Who we were, who we are, who we wanna be. All of it between the bites and the coffee steam. Kickstand
black jackets.
Leather on the hanger, coffee in my hand at 6. Chrome waking up to small rice, kicking over, feel the click. Names on the jackets, stories on the fuel-stained floor. Laughing in a language only engines understand more. Chasing lines across this land. Turn the key and I'm at home again. Every heartbeat finds the bed. I'm in love with the way we ride in Denmark. Every curve, every coast, every spark. Side by side we're a moving landmark. Through the wind, through the sky so stark. Helmet on, key turns, quick glance, little town, feels big in this stance. Wind in my jacket, coffee in the tank. You pull up beside me, parked along the bank. Two wheels in Denmark, riding out the rain. Tiny wild adventures scattered through the day. From corner to corner, feels like we're abroad. Two wheels in Denmark, and that's already a lot. And that's already a lot. Two wheels in Denmark, and that's already a lot. Map back, glow on the dash. Helmets on, engines breathe, cold air bites, we don't leave. Chrome in the sun on an April morning, coffee cups steamed by the harbor line. Talking in sparks, every laugh is roaring, black leather shining in a crooked line. From Wolfang out to